Welcome to Make It Easy. This recipe is a dark, decadent, moist and easy to bake homemade eggless chocolate cake, which is a treat for kids and adults alike. Here's the recipe for this yummy, moist, dark and squidgy chocolate cake. Take a look. In the first step, we will prepare a cake pan. Here I'm greasing it with some oil. Now I'm laying down a parchment paper, and now again I will grease the parchment paper with some oil. Now our pan is ready. Let's move on to the preparation of cake batter. Take a bowl, and I'm taking in it almost 1 cup of milk. To this, add 1/4 cup of flavorless oil, and now 3/4 cup of sugar. I've taken granulated sugar, but you can also use caster sugar here. Whisk it well till the sugar dissolves, and take care that all the ingredients you are using to make the batter should be at room temperature. Now the sugar here has dissolved completely. Now it's the time to add the dry ingredients. I've taken a sieve, and now I'll take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, to this add 1/2 cup of cornstarch, add 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, and now add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I am taking 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Now sift all the dry ingredients. Now mix the dry ingredients with the wet ones using a whisk or a spoon. You have to mix all the dry ingredients till you don't see any of them. At this point, I'm adding some more milk. I have added 1/4 cup of milk. Now whisk in one direction till your batter becomes smooth with a flowing consistency. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Mix again. Make sure the batter is of a flowing consistency, and if not, you can add some more milk to make it so. Now take the batter in the greased pan, tap it 2 to 3 times so that the air bubbles are released. Cover it and now bake it in microwave mode. I'll set the timer. I've selected highest power level and now I'll bake it for 7 minutes, but I'll check after 6 minutes if it is done or not. Now there are still 21 seconds left and I'm going to check it. I'll take out my pan. Let's open the lid. And here it is done. You can see it has come out very nice. I'll check it with a knife. If it comes out clean, that means our cake is done. Now as the knife has come out clean, our cake is almost done, and now we will prepare the frosting for the cake. We'll make a chocolate ganache, for which I have taken almost 1 cup of cream and I have heated it, and now I'm adding dark compound chocolate. This too I have taken almost 1 cup. Add it to the hot cream. I've taken fresh cream and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of butter to add that extra glaze. Now I'll microwave this for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds I will mix the chocolate with the cream. This is how it looks, the ganache while preparing. It's looking really yummy. I'll give it a good mix. Now dark chocolate ganache is ready. Now after cooling the cake for almost 10 minutes, I'll demold this cake on a plate. I will sprinkle some syrup, sugar syrup, over the top to make it more moist. Now I'll spread the chocolate ganache over it. With the help of a spoon, I'm spreading it. Our eggless dark moist chocolate cake is ready, perfect for any occasion. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.